Let's go outside this evening. It's still a little bit hazy as air quality still remains a bit of an issue through tomorrow night. We have seen an improvement in the wildfire smoke, though. 86 degrees right now. Touch of humidity has returned, but the air is still really not that muggy. Winds are blowing from the southeast at 8 miles an hour in the city, kickstarting this warming trend. We do have an air quality alert not only through midnight tonight, but through midnight tomorrow night, including Chicago. The wildfire smoke is actually on its way out already. This is a different problem. It's called ground level ozone. It's a chemical reaction when the air is hot and stagnant. Things like car exhaust, whatnot, react with the sunshine and create ozone pollution. So that is actually becoming a whole separate problem for the next 24 hours. That is why we are currently unhealthy for sensitive groups. That's where we'll be tomorrow. But Friday, National Weather Service and the EPA expecting an improvement. Temperatures are rising locally because of a big heat dome building across the plains, the Texas State Fair, and the desert Southwest. We have heat warnings, heat advisories in effect for many areas. This is a multi-day heat wave in those areas. Now, as it expands our way, our temperatures are rising, but we're also starting to see this ring of fire effect we see in the summer. Disturbance after disturbance rotates around the periphery of that heat dome, and these tend to bring us some big, strong storms at times. We're eyeing tomorrow night as a potential for the first round of the next coming wet weather pattern. This evening, not much going on, just a bit of a lake breeze in some areas, mostly cloudy skies coming in with a sprinkle or two overnight. Tomorrow, though, during the afternoon, we could see a shower or storm form along the afternoon lake breeze in Chicago, but the main event appears to come later in the evening. After 7 p.m., more and more of our computer models are latching on to a complex of storms forming in Wisconsin, then coming here either late in the evening or even during the overnight hours. Look at this. This would be a concerning outcome if this forecast radar holds true. Friday, 3 a.m., widespread heavy rain, including in Chicago. 6, 7 a.m., storms potentially training in place. This could be a mess of a Friday morning rush hour if this solution verifies. Later in the day on Friday, the storms will be clearing. 1 to 2 inches of rain looking like the most likely outcome, but we could see some higher totals if this radar comes true. So stay tuned with us tomorrow. We will keep you advised. Whatever happens late tomorrow night, on Saturday, the heat is the big story. Heat indices up to 100 with air temperatures in the mid-90s. On Sunday, this is when we could see another complex of storms coming in, especially late. 90 degrees, still hot and humid, with storms becoming likelier later in the evening. So tonight's forecast, mostly cloudy, couple sprinkles, and low temperatures now back above 70 for the first time in about a week. Tomorrow, hottest day in more than a week, 89 degrees ahead of the late evening storms. We've really increased your rain chances tomorrow in light of this new information. 89 degrees, then a 60% chance of storms late. Some of those could linger into Friday morning. The heat is on Friday afternoon through Saturday, then stormy weather pattern, not only late Sunday, but into early next week. That will serve to bring temperatures down a little bit, but still a week or more of above normal temperatures starts right now. So get ready.
And a lot of rain chances after a pretty quiet week.